Hey bosses, it's Jakara Chanel. On this channel, I teach everyday entrepreneurs like myself how to invest in a better future, whether it's through wealth building, through building an e-commerce brand, or just providing some motivation. I'm here to serve all of you. So without further ado, we're going to get into the topic of the day. Today, we're going to be creating a debt repayment plan, or what others will call it, a debt snowball. So with the debt snowball, you are listing all of the debt that you have by smallest to largest, and then you are making minimum payments until all of the smaller payments are repaid, and then you're just paying it forward to all of the other ones. As you can see, for February, we're in February right now. My plan was to make $5K, read 2 books, pay off 1 debt, save $300, invest in the stock market of $300. I really want to get into being consistent with that because I know how important it is. I want all of you to come on this journey with me and follow me through this, and just update me, put in the comments or let me know if you are someone who is doing the same thing. What methods do you have in order for you to pay down your debt? I would love to know. So the month of February, excuse my handwriting. So we're just gonna put February for all of these. February, sorry, I messed up. So the due dates are the 2nd, 15th, 2/7, and of course it's not in order. So for, I think I'm going, so I actually grabbed these from my budget binder, which you can find on Amazon. So I just put, as you can see, these right here. So we know that this will be the credit card and this will be the car loan. So this month, I paid $300, which isn't including insurance for this, because that's something that I will have to pay regardless. So these are things, these right here are listed because it's an expense. So once the expense is paid, of course the things that you have to pay are not included. For one of the credit cards, $40. Then the other one was also. So then we're also going to put the second one right here. Those due dates are 2. So for this one, we're going to pay $150. For this one, we're going to pay $60. And then that's it. So these are the minimum payments for all of the things that I would have to pay. So now we're going to just total it up. Put that here. As you can see, I've already tallied up the percentages from 0 to 100%, and $20,000 being the 0 mark at the bottom. So right now, basically, we can see that we haven't made any progress because we're still at the highest debt. For me, I just want to be free of debt so I can have more money to save and more money to invest in things like, real estate, any type of business venture I want to, or go more. And I think that a lot of us, we really don't understand how much pressure we're putting on ourselves, because, the less debt you have, the more freedom you have. Understand what it is that you're doing that's preventing you from paying off all of the things that are stopping you from being free. We're going to close this out, but if you like content like this and you want to see more of this, please let me know in the comments what it is that you'll like to see. If there is something that I talked about that you didn't get clarification on, let me know in the comments. And thank you for watching. Until next time.